5 reasons kung bakit maganda mag-invest dito sa Acropolis South 2.
Number 1, pre-selling kaya mura pa ang price. Habang maaga, sulitin mo na ang affordable monthly at introductory price. Hindi na ito ganito kababa pag fully developed na.
Number 2, prime location sa Alaminos, Laguna along Maharlika Highway, very accessible sa schools, public market, major establishments, and road papuntang San Pablo City, Lipa, and one ride to Manila.
Number 3, flexible payment terms, may low monthly amortization, kaya pasok sa budget ni OFW. First-time buyer or investor na pwede sa Pag-ibig, bank at in-house financing.
Number 4, fresh air and flood-free community. Nature vibes, tahimik at hindi binabaha. Perfect for starting a family, a place for retirement.
Number 5, good investment. Habang tumatagal, tumataas ang property value ng bahay at lupa. Perfect for future investment and rental business.
Ready ka na ba? Tara! Tripping na!